host Manvi, and today I will be sharing my night skincare routine, my Retinoid skincare routine, and I'm going to put my skincare chart on your screen so that you can also follow. So first step is double cleansing. First you use a cleansing balm to remove the oil-based impurities from your face like makeup, and then follow up with a face wash to clean the rest of it. So for cleansing balm, I'm using the Plum cleansing balm. I have talked about this on my channel how much I like it. It removes my waterproof makeup. If you have the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, it removes that mascara in one go. So that's why I recommend this, and this is for 545 rupees, pretty affordable. Now for face wash, I use the Simple face wash, kind to skin face wash, and you know how much I love this face wash. I have washed my face and cleaned it, and next step will be your toners. Now for toners, I have two types of toners, and in my Retinoid skincare routine, I use the hydrating toner. I do not use the glycolic toner. If you are using glycolic acid based toner twice a week, then make sure that you do not use it with your retinoids based skincare. Use them on separate days. Alright, so I'm going to use the hydrating toner, and this is by Simple. This toner is so soothing and so hydrating. If you find the Kama Ayurveda Rose Water expensive, then you can go for this one. It's very gentle and very moisturizing. And even the rosacea and dermatitis people can use this one. It's so soothing on the skin. And I have talked about the ingredient list in my affordable skincare. I will link it here so you can get to know more about this product. Before moving on to the next step, I just want to talk about the retinoids a little bit. So retinoids is also known as vitamin A, and there are several forms of retinoids. First is your retinol, and it's found mostly in your over-the-counter skincare products like your serums and moisturizer, and it has very few side effects, and it needs to convert into retinoic acid to work. So that's why retinol takes time, like almost 30 days to work on your skin. So be patient with your retinol based skincare. And second one is your retinoids esters, which is also the weakest form of retinoids. So retinoid esters is very good for beginners and sensitive skin types. And the third one is your retinoic acid, which you should take from prescription only, because retinoic acid works faster on our skin, and our skin is only able to use those retinoids which are converted into retinoic acid. That's why retinoic acid works faster, because it's not taking time to convert the retinoid into retinoic acid. So I just came closer because I'm going to apply the serum which is rich in retinoids, vitamin A. Retinoids are cell communicating ingredient which encourages the production of collagen, which is so good for your skin, which keeps your skin healthy and plump looking. Best thing about Estee Lauder serum that you can apply it under your eyes, because retinoids is very good for dark circles. And I'm using the mini Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. It has digitata seed extract which is rich in vitamin A and retinoids. They made 3 major changes in the new ANR which was launched in 2020, and I have reviewed this on my channel. Click this link to see the whole ingredient explained. Fun fact, initially retinoids were used to treat acne because it can penetrate sebaceous gland and reduce the sebum production in your skin. But scientists also noticed that it has great anti-aging effects because it communicates to your skin cells to increase the collagen production in your skin. And that's how you get the youthful and plump looking skin, because when you get older, the collagen production is decreased in your skin. That's why you get that saggy skin and wrinkles. So anybody upper 20 can use the retinoids in their skincare routine. And now I'm going to use the retinoids moisturizer, and this is by Dr. Sheth, and this is their Rosehip and Retinoid Power Emulsion. Now Rosehip is also an ingredient which works on the hyperpigmentation and fading your acne marks and dark spots. It has 1% granactive retinoid which is beginner friendly, and granactive retinoid is a form of retinoid which is more gentle on the skin. So if you are a beginner, you can use this moisturizer, and it's also very good for your moms. If your mom is looking for a moisturizer retinoid based, you can recommend this one. This moisturizer gives me the most beautiful glow in the morning, and when you pair it with your ANR, it becomes more powerful. So retinoid is also anti-inflammatory and anti-acne. This is very good for your acne, and it's also anti-aging, so it has so many benefits. I love retinoids based skincare routine, and I've been using this for 2-3 months already, and I can see the effects on my skin. It is making my skin look more glowing glowy and plump, as you can see. Now you can literally stop here and go to sleep, but I'm not going to stop here. I can add one more step in my skincare routine. You know how much I love the layering of skincare, so I've been loving two sleeping masks lately. One is from Dr. Sheth. This is the Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. This makes your skin glowy, super glowy and plump. And the other one is from Klairs, my favorite skincare brand, and this is a midnight blue calming cream. So if you have irritation and redness on your skin, this one is so great. And this also gives that fillers effect on the skin, like it makes your skin look extra plump. Doesn't give any glow though. If you want the glow, go for the Dr. Sheth one. I'm also going to share my weekly skincare routine because there's one day when I layered these two sleeping masks on my skin. So that's why a weekly skincare routine is much needed, because sometimes I use the glycolic acid based toner and my night skincare routine is totally different. And the other days I use my Retinoid skincare routine. So I will be sharing my weekly skincare routine so that you can understand the whole shebang. And most of the nights I use my Retinoid skincare routine, but you will understand because every skincare routine is very important in my weekly skincare routine. I will explain it later. But for today, that's all. You can go back to sleep, but I'm going to apply the sleeping mask, Klairs sleeping mask on my skin today. Now it looks blue in the tub, but it does not have any colorants. The color of this cream is blue because of this organic compound azulene, which is extracted from chamomile oil, and it's of dark blue color. That's why it gives that beautiful powder blue color when mixed with other ingredients. So I'm going to apply this on my face today. And you can use it as the spot treatment. Apply it wherever you have the redness or irritation, or you can apply it all over your skin. Klairs Midnight Calming Cream also has two of my all-time favorite ingredients. First is your ceramides and second is your polypeptides. That's why it gives that plump looking skin and youthful skin. Ceramides is like cement which holds your skin cells together. I love this calming cream and I highly recommend this. And the Dr. Sheth one also has ceramides in it, and it also has hyaluronic acid, which is so amazing. If you're looking for a hyaluronic acid moisturizer, go for this one. And it's a sleeping mask, so use it twice or thrice a week. Now we are almost done. Last two steps are your eye cream and lip oil. So I'm going to apply this on my skin and we are done. I'm using the Biotech Seaweed Under Eye Gel, and for lip oil I'm using the Nikake lip oil. That's all for my nighttime and retinoid skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some extra pointers from this video. And all of these products will be linked in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. And also I have a code for you. And that's all for my retinoid skincare routine. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will see you soon. Bye.